Today we're talking about BigQuery, more BigQuery, and Java for Cloud Functions. I am Stephanie Wong, and welcome to This Week in Cloud, where we serve you the lowest latency news from the safety of home. Google Cloud Functions is an event-driven serverless compute platform that lets you build and deploy applications in a fully managed environment, both locally and in the cloud. And we've just announced that we are adding support for Java 11. This means you can now write Cloud Functions in Java or in your favorite JVM language, such as Kotlin, Groovy, or Scala. Support for Java 11 is now in beta, so try it out. BigQuery recently turned 10, and to celebrate, we're giving it some well-deserved attention. In this birthday blog post, we recap some of the major milestones for BigQuery, from the early days of community support as we figured out how to apply SQL to big data. A major advantage to BigQuery is that it offers a choice in pricing models, so you can do big things on whatever budget you have. You can choose between the entirely free BigQuery Sandbox, a pay-as-you-go approach with on-demand pricing, or flat-rate pricing for dedicated resources. Learn more about your options and how to decide which is best for you in this blog post. Finally, we've recently started a new video series, BigQuery Spotlight, to help you explore the ins and outs of this fully managed data warehouse. Each topic is less than 5 minutes so that you can learn something new even in these busy times. Check it out today and be sure to subscribe for notifications on these future videos. If you want to read more about these announcements or see a full list, check out the link. Any thoughts or ideas? Leave us a comment or tweet us. We'll see you in the cloud.